Today we will show you bit by bit how you can produce by composing articles and so forth. You won't require any specialized abilities to have the option to do this or shell out cash. It is possible that you will not require a virtual entertainment following to bring in cash from this. So to know how to do this lucrative technique, try to observe the entire video until the end. In any case, before we start, try to buy into this feed and remember to tap on the notice ringer. So at whatever point we transfer another video on the most proficient method to bring in cash on the web, you will be refreshed and you can begin getting things going. Additionally, kindly offer this video a major go ahead. And if at any point you have any worries, questions, or suppositions about the video, don't be modest and simply leave a remark down beneath. Now let's get back to the video. We are going to be showing you how to make at least this amount of money per day using a Google trick. Keep in mind the one and the only way it will work as if you follow the directions precisely. Because if you make a mistake, the method will most probably fail. So stay tuned and perhaps take note so you will be able to be productive and make money online. To start going on to the money pantry. Once you have done that, you are going to see this page right here. There are some money making tips, save money tips, and freebies as well. We simply want to show you that you could have a little context so you can see how it relates to other method today. On another tab, let's go to moneypantry.com and get paid to write. Make sure that you were able to spell it correctly because if you didn't, you will be redirected to another page. On the page, you will see that you can get paid to write by using the websites listed on this platform that will pay you big money per blog post. Amazing, right? Furthermore, if we move down, there are a multitude of writing jobs to apply for, as well as plethora of topics to read about. For this video, we want you to click on the Vibrant Life, which you can find right here. Just follow along with the video so you don't get lost. After you have selected that, you will see a page of writer's guidelines, which means you'll find there all you need to know about what to write about so that the content of the blog post you will be writing is appropriate for this job. As the steps are basic when it comes to creating your article, you must first determine what this writing task will require for you. After which you must do your research, read a little about the issue, and perhaps check on the other articles on the very same topic, copy it, and afterwards send it to the spinbot.com to be modified so that it seems as if you wrote it yourself. Apart from what we have given, you may look out on the other links. Because as you know, one can easily hop on there and discover whatever it is that interests you. Because the more engaged you are in the topic, you will have more to write about it, and the better your output will be. Some postings pay per article while others pay for work. Imagine going through all of these postings, putting in a lot of efforts, and then making a fortune. That's all there is to it. You don't even need to search for jobs like this on Google, since everything is already on there, thanks to the strategy that we just showed you. So that's one less job for you. Make sure to follow the instructions, since it will save you a lot of time and effort. Continue watching through the very end of the video, because we are going to show you another extra tip on how to construct outstanding articles. Next, we would like you to go to Quora.com because we want this website to be on the main source of all the material that we will be putting in the articles that you will be writing and submitting. You may log in by clicking your Google or Facebook accounts, or you can just sign up directly. Now, if you don't have one, if you have such an account, you can just log in. Pro tip: you don't need to set up an account because all you will be doing is just to search for needed information on there. It is on this site that you can discover content for the articles that you will make, and afterward basically copy them. Then you can just go to the spinbot.com to get the entire article paraphrased. That's it. That it would appear as though you made everything, which means it won't have any copyright with this. In the search bar here, you will look for the articles related to your subject. So this is the actual concept of the video. To simplify, you will need Quora to provide with the context of every article that you will make by just searching for them. In the Quora platform, you can even ask for specifics on anything that you want to know. I'm pretty sure Quora have it all to begin with. But just a tip, make sure to paraphrase everything so you won't have any problems with copyright, strikes, or plagiarism. We are now going to proceed by opening Google Docs. This is where we are going to input or upload our articles to correct any grammatical and spelling errors as well as misplacement of words, which makes the entire creation measure way simpler, since you will not have to edit this because Google Docs are, as of now, doing that for you. This is free service, so try to take advantage of these free online workstations. Since they truly assist a lot more than most people think, open Google Docs again, create a new blank document, and then begin arranging your articles here. Another thing about Google Docs is that if you want to start from search and not copy from whole article, you can do that. You can speak rather than type it in. Here's how you're going to do it. Go on to Tools as seen on the top and then select Voice Typing. So how this works is that you're going to speak into your computer and then Google Docs is going to directly copy it, and it will automatically write it down here. This feature is handy because if you are feeling a little lazy, you can just play a video and then voice typing on Google Docs will just write it down for you. Overall, this is a great method for you to earn money while being able to read articles and stimulate your brain at the same time. Aside from going to exercise your mind, this is going to make you a lot of money, and that's it. This has been Money Girl. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.